small village in Jammu and Kashmir's Bandipora district has become the first one in India to vaccinate all its adult population against COVID-19. As per reports, the healthcare workers made a lot of efforts to vaccinate the 362 inhabitants of Wayan village located about 28 kilometers from Bandipora district headquarters. Healthcare workers had to cover a distance of 18 kilometers by foot to reach the village due to the absence of a motorable road. India has been elected to the 54-member Economic and Social Council, one of the 6 main organs of the United Nations for the 2022-24 term. I thank all member states of the United Nations for their vote of confidence in India for Economic and Social Council. Indian Ambassador to United States T.S. Tirumurti said, India was elected in the Asia-Pacific states category. The death toll from 2 passenger trains collision in Pakistan's Sindh province on Monday has risen to 63. 12 people who died in the accident are yet to be identified, Pakistan Railways said. The accident took place after an express train barreled into another that had derailed minutes earlier. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has ordered an investigation into the crash. Tamil Nadu's Madumalai Tiger Reserve tested 28 elephants, including 2 calves, for COVID-19 today and sent the samples to Uttar Pradesh. This is a screening process and none of them is suspected to have the virus, the forest veterinarian said. The tests were done after 9 lions tested COVID-19 positive and 1 lioness died in Arignar Anna Zoological Park. A union of India's airline pilots has demanded frontline worker status to its members, seeking all COVID-related benefits that go with the tag. This includes priority vaccination, insurance coverage, and compensation. To bolster its claim, it has cited 17 pandemic-related deaths in this segment over the past year, 13 of them since February 2021 alone. Indian football star Sunil Chhetri has surpassed Argentina's global superstar Lionel Messi to become the second highest active international goal scorer with 74 strikes. The 36-year-old Chhetri achieved the feat with his 2 goals against Bangladesh in the joint preliminary qualifying round match for 2022 FIFA World Cup. The seasoned striker now stands only behind Portugal's Cristiano Ronaldo with 103 goals in the active international goal scorers list. Christina Ricci has joined the cast of Lana Wachowski' The Matrix 4. The action film will also feature Keanu Reeves, Carrie Ann Moss, Jada Pinkett Smith, Yahya Abdul-Mateen II, Priyanka Chopra Jones, Jonathan Groff, and Neil Patrick Harris. Christina previously collaborated with Lana on the 2008 film Speed Racer, which also starred Emil Hirsch and Scott Porter.